I've been in the trucking business for 25 years. We drive for a living and safety is our priority. But our biggest concern is the visibility around our big rigs when we're on the highways sharing them with cars. Let me take you up in the cab and show you what I'm talking about. Now we're sitting behind the wheel in the normal driving position as a driver would sit going down the highway. And you need to keep one thing in mind. The truck driver sits about 6 feet higher off the ground than you do in your automobile, and he has a panoramic view and can see for miles, and he can see across the top of traffic. Now drivers are taught and they practice to look in their mirrors every 5 seconds. So I'm going to look in my left mirror and I see it's clear. I can make a left-hand lane change. I look back across my panoramic view, everything's fine over there. I check my right mirror. Yes, it's clear also, so now I can make a right-hand lane change if I need to. Now that you've been in the cab and have seen what the driver can see, this is what the driver didn't see. Keep one rule of thumb in mind when you're traveling with big rigs on the highways. If you can't see the driver's face in this mirror, the driver cannot see your vehicle. These vehicles are also in the area known as the no zone. Behind the truck there are 2 vehicles also in the no zone. If you are following a truck closer than 4 seconds, you're in the rear no zone. There's also a no zone in the front of the truck, an area where the driver cannot see the car in front of him. So when you're passing a big rig, don't cut back over from your lane change until you can see the full truck cab in the inside rear view mirror of your car.